Hello. Today I will talk about the topic organizing a meeting through answering three following questions. First, how do you plan a meeting? First, I will think carefully my goals in the meeting and then announce my colleagues for the meeting. I can also provide information about the meeting to each of them via email. That way they can understand why they attend, what they need to prepare for, and what they will achieve in the end. And the next question is, what to say to start a meeting? To start a meeting, I will say, as you know, we are here for the meeting. Now we will discuss something. For instance, we are here to discuss the product line of our new beverage. And the last question is, how do you end the meeting? To end the meeting, I will say, this is the end of the meeting today. If you have any questions about what we talked, please don't hesitate to ask me. That's all.